viewers, welcome to Intresthy Classes. Let's start the video. In this tutorial, we are going to see Introduction in Exception Handling. We will be learning three things. First, what is an exception, what is the need of exception handling, and what is the meaning of exception handling. So let's start with the exception. An unwanted, unexpected event happens that disturbs the normal flow of the program is called an exception. So what happens is, if we write a program that consists of group of statements and we want all the statements to be executed successfully, but sometimes what happens, an unexpected event occurred that disturbs the total flow of the statements of our program, which results in abnormal execution of the program. So to solve this problem, we have a concept known as exception handling. What is the need of exception handling? The purpose of exception handling is graceful termination of the program. To solve the exception problem, we write a exception handling code, which is try and catch block. We will be seeing on next topic. What is the meaning of exception handling? The meaning of exception handling is to defining alternative way to continue the rest of the program normally. So if a statement or if an exception occurred in one statement, so we don't want to execute that statement, else we provide another statement to be executed. So let's take an example. We want to read data from remote file which is locating at London. So if the London file is not available, then we use local file. We have provided here alternative way that if London file is not available, we will use local file. So this concept is used in exception. Try block, the data which may arise exception, we will be writing in try block. To solve this exception problem, we will write an alternative code in the catch block. So read data, if we try to accommodate this example in a code, let try block read data from London file. Okay, read the data which is available in the London file. But if the file which is not available at the London, we will providing an alternative way that use local file and continue the rest of the program normally. If we will not provide alternative way, what happens is where your program will contribute to abnormal execution. So none of the statements are going to be executed. To solve this problem, we are going to learn exception handling scenarios. For any doubt and group discussion, join my Telegram. I will give the link in the description box and PDF will be available there. You can also download PDF from the Telegram group, and you can follow me on Intresthy Classes group in Instagram, and you can join my group Intresthy Classes on Facebook. Thank you for watching.